Happy B-Day to you. Happy B-Day to you. Just had to make this video for you. Yay! Happy B-Day, Hannah. Hee hee.
Soulja Boy tough. Hey, I got the new dance for y'all called the Soulja Boy. You gotta push then crank back 3 times from left to right. Soulja Boy, I'm in it. Why me crank it, why me roll? Why me crank that Soulja Boy, that Superman, that now why me crank that Soulja Boy? Crank that Soulja Boy. Crank that Soulja Boy. Crank that Soulja Boy. Soulja Boy, I'm in it. Why me crank it, why me roll? Why me crank that Soulja Boy, that Superman, that now why me crank that Soulja Boy? Crank that Soulja Boy. Crank that Soulja Boy. Crank that Soulja Boy. Soulja Boy, I'm in it. Why me lean that, why me rock? Superman, that yeah, why me crank that Robocop? Superman, now why me jock? Jocking on them haters, man. When I do that Soulja Boy, I lean to the left and crank that thing now. I'm jocking on you, I'm jocking on you. And if we get the fight, then I'm cocking on you, cocking on you. You catch me at your local party, yes, I crank it every day. Haters get mad.